Well, hello. We're back here to the Billy and Biscuit show. Wow. We're proud to announce that Billy and Biscuit without a child. So, Billy couldn't make it today, so now today is the Billy and Muffin show. Let's go meet the gang. Here's the Billy and Biscuit love child. Muffin. Hard at work. Here's the Queen of Pop, Melissa. Instructing Muffin how to bag.
It'll be harder to pull. We usually do fans like in the summertime. Do it.
Back here we go. We got Biscuits back in service. And again, there's Biscuits love child. Muffin. Go Biscuit, go.
Secret ingredients.
Billy be very proud of you, Biscuit. Biscuit's come a long way. It's grown. Become a man.
Sorry. What's bobbing? Kettle corn. Large side.
Go get him, Biscuit. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Here we are, beautiful Bel Air Ski Mountain. On a beautiful 60-degree day. Wahoo. Oh, here comes Gapsty. Down the mountain.
Do we have stickers?
Alright, let's focus here.
Label? No label missing? Might be a little dark.
That's okay. Oh yeah. Looking good. Oh yeah. I'm feeling it, baby. I'm feeling it. Oh man. Oh boy, am I feeling now, boy. Oh yeah. It's coming, boy. It's coming. Oh boy. I'm coming. I'm coming. There it comes. There it comes. There it comes. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh man. Look at that. Oh yeah.
That's it, huh?
Oh yeah. Goodbye, people.